She's got clothes inside?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. A jacket? What's in her other one?
I don't know. Where is it?
Right here. Okay.
Let's see.
OMG. That's what she is. Oh, and a coat hanger. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Those are so cute. Now let's see. What does she look like? Did you get her out of the bag?
Nope, not yet.
Let's see.
I usually do the doll last.
You do?
Yeah.
She's beautiful. And you didn't want that one?
I love her.
She looks just like you.
Can't play.
Her hair's kind of blonder though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of. Yeah, I need scissors.
Be super careful you don't cut nothing. Got it?
Wait.
Got it?
Wait, what?
Let me do it.
Yes. Wait.
Go all the way to the back of the scissors. No, okay, that's the way to do it.
Perfect. This is like an envelope.
What is it? A what? A
Purse.
Oh no. She's a gorgeous girl, isn't she?
Yes.
So she's got earrings. Oops, I lost it. She's got earrings and a purse.
Yep.
And pants.
Jacket.
And jacket.
I just love. I love.
And a hairbrush.
Yep. Need these scissors.
Please don't cut her hair off. Go all the way to the back of it. Push the scissors all the way through. Did you get her? Operation. No, let me help with that. Be careful. Let me see her.
Wait a minute.
You just about got it. You just drop her earrings. You got her? You got her?
Wait.
Almost through.
Got it.
Oh no. Put her up next to your face. Let's see. Turn around. Oh, she's just like you. She's beautiful.
She got a little bit more blonde.
She's just a little bit more blonde. She's got little hair thingies. Look at her little balls on the front. I know. Let's see. Don't you love them?
Yes.
How
Look at her
cute.
socks.
What? She's got, oh, shiny socks. And she's got boots and pants.
I'm putting on her stuff.
I love that. Well, can you put her boots on before her pants? Or I guess you can.
Nope. Doing the pants first.
Okay. Sit down. Let's see you do this. We'll have to do this on YouTube. You know?
Yes, YouTube.
I know. This is your unboxing, right?
Yep.
Okay. And you love her?
Yes, I love her.
She's
She's so cute.
Beautiful.
And
She's a sassy OMG. Yes, she is.
sassy, sassy.
Sassy. Let's see. Did you get them on?
Yeah.
Tight fit like Nona's, huh? Will they fit?
I don't know.
Well, let's hope they do. Did she shrink in the heat of my car? I thought her face would melt. She's been in there for a month.
Her cheeks are red.
Are they? I think that's just blush for her.
Yeah. Oh, they come undone.
Well,
Wow.
now we know.
Now just tighten them back up.
Is it pants or skirt? Oh, it's pants.
Ooh.
Let's check out the
They
jacket.
go over
Oh,
her feet.
MG, she is beautiful. Let's see that. I like the shirt and the pants. And now the styling boots.
I didn't know you had this much money to buy one.
Surprise!
I love it.
You love her?
I want to put a jacket on.
I know.
Wait, why should I put a jacket on? Because it's hot.
Well, you want to see what she's looking like when she's styling,
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
And you've got cute little boxes. All these come in.
Yeah.
I love the boxes so you can keep
I
them.
love it because she has a little dressing room.
I know. She got a mirror in there?
Yeah.
Oh, too
You can
shiny.
see yourself in it.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Perfect.
Okay. Can you get the jacket out?
I don't know.
She looks like Michael Jackson.
Who's
Oh
Michael
my
Jackson?
goodness. You don't know who Michael Jackson is?
No.
He's an old singer. Michael, he's an old singer. I'll have to pull up some music videos for you to watch. He was a great dancer and good music.
I want to go sing King Brown.
I know. We'll have to find out when he's going to be in town. Can you get it down?
Wait, I almost got it. See your fingernails.
Nice, here he goes. Keep pushing.
I always get stuck on the thumbs.
Well, everybody's going to have thumbs.
Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just going to try to put the outside on.
Sure. Can you? Is she bendable? Nope.
Nope.
Raise it up high.
Wait, hold on. Her hair is in the way.
Well, don't tear her hair off.
Her hair is everywhere.
You'll probably have to raise both her arms all the way up and put it on that way. But while you're doing this, this is her earrings.
Yeah. Wait,
Oh, you lost one.
Look where I looked in.
She's got glasses and earrings.
I'll be right back.
What'd you lose?
This. Whatever it is.
What is it?
It's a bracelet.
Oh, it is a styling bracelet. Oh, she is so cute. The bracelet, the earrings, the glasses.
Everything is so
A
stylish.
pocketbook. I love her glasses. Oh, my goodness.
But you cannot see out of them.
No. Well, not on you. But they're bling bling glasses. She'll
Bling,
be
bling.
beautiful.
She,
It looks like on her jacket.
but I have another one.
Okay.
This is a devil. This is wax.
Whoa, hold on. Let's finish this one.
I thought these were the same ones.
Now, why would I buy you the same one?
I don't know.
That would
I
be
didn't know
silly.
you had the money for two of them.
Hold on.